Okay, Unit 7 Test Study Guide, question number 15. This is about using survey data to make predictions. So we are given a survey that, Ethan surveyed 120 registered voters. That's important, how many people were surveyed, out of a total of 12,600 voters in his town. He asked who they plan to vote for in the upcoming election. And the data is over here. Eden's first survey was conducted on Sunday. The results are shown in this table. Based on the results of the survey, we want the total number of registered voters expected to vote for Ms. Gibson. Okay, so we're going to set up a proportion to solve this. We're going to compare the data from the survey, which is that Ms. Gibson, 45 people said that they would vote for her out of a total of 100 people who were surveyed. So that is the read from the survey, and what you're wanting to know is for the town, how many would vote for Gibson out of the total number of registered voters, which is 12,600. So we're looking for the number for Gibson, so you cross multiply. You get 120x, multiplying this way, 45 times 1260, one 12,600, sorry, 2 zeros, and you come up with 5, 6, 7. And followed by 3 zeros. Then to solve for x, you're going to divide by 120, and you're going to come up with 4,725 voters. So you would expect about, because this is going to be an approximation because we don't know if it's going to actually work out this way, but you would expect about 4,725 people to vote for Ms. Gibson. Okay, part B. Ethan surveyed a different random sample of, again, 120 voters in his town each day for the rest of the week. The results of the survey, including Sunday, are shown in the table. And so, based on the results of the survey for each day, what is the best prediction for how many votes Ms. Reynolds, how many more votes Ms. Reynolds is expected to receive than Ms. Gibson? Okay, one way to do this, figure out how many votes Ms. Gibson's would be expected to get using the data for all 7 days, and figure out how many votes Ms. Reynolds would get, and then subtract those two to say how many more Ms. Reynolds would get. I'm going to go ahead and do it that way. So add these numbers up, and I believe you get 316 people said that over those 7 days said they would vote for Ms. Gibson. Ms. Reynolds, add those up, and I came up with 524 people said they would vote for Ms. Reynolds. So I'm going to do this problem twice, and first figure out how many would vote for Gibson. So Gibson versus the total from the survey, it was 316, and 7 days, and each one has 120 people that he surveyed, so 7 times 120, 840 total. And the question is, out of the whole town, which is 12,600, how many would you expect to vote for Ms. Gibson? So cross multiply, you get 840x equals 316 times 12600, and you come up with 398.1600, and then I'm going to divide by 840 to get my x by itself. I'm going to divide this side by 840 also, and divided by 840, I come up with 4,740 people would vote for Gibson. Okay, that's the first part of it. Now figure out how many would vote for Reynolds. So again, it's going to be Reynolds compared to the total, and this time Reynolds added up to 524. So 524 out of, again, 840, you want to know how many that would be out of the whole town, which was 12,600. But again, this is for Ms. Reynolds. Cross multiply, you get 840x equals 524 times 12,600 comes up to be 660,2400. Not done yet. I need to divide by 840 to figure out how many people that would be that would vote for Ms. Reynolds. So divide that by 840, and I come up with 7,860 would vote for Reynolds. And again, that's wonderful, but that's not the question we're being asked. We're wanting to know how many more would vote for Reynolds than Ms. Gibson. We need to subtract those two numbers. So 7,860 minus 4,740. That's nice. I can subtract that in my head. 0 from 0 is 0. 4 from 6 is 2. 7 from 8 is 1. 4 from 7 is 3. So we expect it to be about 3,120. Looking at the possible answers, 3,120 would fall in here between 2,500 and 3,500. The correct answer then would be B.